Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss latest job openings in Pondicherry location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening from Government of Pondicherry. They have vacancies for data entry operator and it is located in Pondicherry location. They are offering a salary for this data entry operator position is 22,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers can also be eligible to apply for this job role. And coming to education qualification, BCA or BSc candidates are eligible. Last date to apply for this position is 15th February 2021 and selection procedure is given here. Please check with this and for more detailed information you can visit this website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for car driver, personal car driver from Pragatishwara Enterprise Private Limited, located in Pondicherry location. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month, and it's a full-time job. Timings will be 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. 3 to 5 years of experience is needed for this job position. And for further details and interview process, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9333215899. Next, there are openings for chairperson from Government of Pondicherry, and for this job position only one vacancy is available. Salary is not disclosed. And coming to experience, 7 to 1 year freshers are also eligible to apply for this job position. And coming to education qualification, BSc or PSW candidates are eligible, and the last date to apply for this job position is 24th February 2021. And here is the procedure to apply for this job position. Please check with this, and for more detailed information you can visit this website link and get detailed information about this job position. Next, there are openings from Singapore Steel. They are hiring for sales executives, and they are offering a salary for this job position is 7,000 to 8,500 rupees per month. And wanted product knowledge, customer approach, basic computer knowledge. They required they are preferring for female candidates only. And for detailed information you can contact with the given two phone numbers. First one 7397133859, second one 9976320012. Next, there are vacancies from Tamil Nadu Cooperative Milk Producers Federation Limited, and they are hiring for executive positions. And for this job position, salary will be 65,500 rupees per month, and three vacancies are available for this job position. Freshers can also be eligible to apply. And coming to education qualification, BSc or diploma candidates can eligible to apply, and last date to apply for this job position is 11th February 2021. Please check with the selection procedure, and also the selection will be made in two successive stages. Please check with the all details about the selection procedure mentioned here, and for more detailed information you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about the job position. Next, there is a job opening for .NET developer from Roadmap IT Solutions Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this job position is 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month, and it is for male candidates. So please check with the job description and the skills required for this job position. And for this job position, education qualification will be MSc or BTech or BE in IT or CSC field. So interested candidates, you can approach through the mobile number, that is 9385304124. Next, there are vacancies from Same company, Roadmap IT Solutions Private Limited, they are hiring for senior .NET developer, and for this job position they are offering a salary is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, and it is for male candidates only. Course specialization will be MSc or BTech or BE in IT or CSE streams. So please check with the job description and the skills required. And for this job position 1 year of experience is needed. Interested candidates, you can approach through the mobile number, that is 9385304124. Next, there are openings for customer relationship executive from Roadmap IT Solutions Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Experience will be 0 to 2 years in ERP software. Female candidates are preferred. Any graduates are eligible to apply for this job position, and please check with the job description and required responsibilities and the skills needed for this job position. Please check with the all details provided here, and interested candidates you can contact with the given contact number, that is 9385304124. Next, there is a vacancy, there is a job openings for finance executive from the same company, Roadmap IT Solutions Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. Education qualification will be BCom or MCom or MBA. Finance ERP software is needed. So freshers can also be apply with aggregate of 55% above in all academics. Should have minimum 1 year of experience in ERP software in the functional areas like GL or AP or AR or cash management or taxation, etc. Interested to travel to client place for sharing finance knowledge in ERP software. So please check with the skill sets, desired skill sets required for this job position, and you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9385304124. Next, there is a job opening for receptionist. It is from Singapore still. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,000 to 9,000 rupees per month. They need customer receive focus, customer return report maintenance, and basic computer knowledge and feedback collect. So these are the skills needed for them for this job position, and it is for female candidates. Interested candidates, you can approach using the given two phone numbers. First one 7397133859, second one 9976320012. Next, there are openings from Akrida Hotel. They are hiring for front office executives, and they are offering a salary for this job position is 8,000 to 9,000 rupees per month. They are looking for male young candidate with minimum 1 year of experience with good English communication skills and system knowledge. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7558130557. Next, there are vacancies from Government of Pondicherry. They are hiring for member. So for this job position 10 vacancies are available. Salary is not disclosed. 7 to 1 year the freshers are eligible to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be BSc or BSW. Last date to apply is 10th February 2021. Selection will be based on either written exam or interview. So please check with the application procedure and all details provided here, and you can visit this website link to apply for this job position and to get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there are openings from Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. They are hiring for research fellow position. They are offering a salary for this job opening for 45,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. 1 to 5 years of experience is needed. Education qualification will be MBBS, MPhil or PhD. So last date to apply is 9th February 2021. Please check with the selection procedure mentioned here. And for further details you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for Chief Center Counselor. It is from ALS IAS. It is located in Pondicherry location. They are looking for Chief Center Counselor at Pondicherry location. So please check with the roles and responsibilities provided here. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 95188 75131. Next, there is a job opening for medical coder trainee. It is from Deccan Eye Services Private Limited. It is located in Villupuram location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,700 rupees per month. And the candidate should be a graduate with life science background. Postgraduates with life science background can also be eligible to apply for this job position. Candidates trained in medical coding can also be eligible, and candidate trained in ICD and CPT can also be apply for this job position. So these are the experience, skills and qualification details. Education qualification will be BSc Nursing, BSc Geology, BSc in Biochemistry, BSc in Biotechnology, BSc in Microbiology, and other life science background freshers can also be eligible. So, and we have provided here the contact address details and contact number. It's a full-time job. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 95145 Next, there is a job opening for VMC or CNC operator and trainee. It is from Manatech Electronics Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this job position is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. They are looking for VMC or CNC operator and trainee in Pondicherry location for their leading automotive company. So for this job position, 5 vacancies are available. In that 5 positions, two positions for mechanical freshers and 3 positions for VMC and CNC operator. Candidates should have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience as a VMC or CNC operator, and the candidate should have good knowledge of VMC machine with offset setting and programming, ability to read and interpret mechanical documents and drawings, check the workpiece for tolerance levels using measuring instruments. So these are the skills needed for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID. The phone number is 9023666551. Next, there are openings from Abench Technologies Private Limited. They are hiring for telecalling executives. It is located in Villupuram location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 5,000 rupees per month. Both freshers and as well as experienced candidates are most welcome and should be dedicated and hardworking with good communication skills. Qualification will be 12th to any degree. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9080473091. So for this job position, experience will be max 2 years and minimum experience will be 0 years. I mean freshers. Next, there are vacancies from iMark Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring for CSA or CSC or field executive positions. They are hiring for BPO voice and non-voice process. It is located in Pondicherry location. They are offering a salary for this position is 6,000 rupees per month. Qualification will be BBA, MBA, BSc, BCom, BA, BCA, MSc, MTech, BE, Diploma, ME, BTech, and Inter, ITI. And this should be the qualification details. Languages, required languages will be Tamil, English, Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam. So age limit will be above 18 to below 31. Both males or females are eligible. Freshers and experienced both also welcome for this job position. Number of vacancies will be 50 vacancies are available. So we have provided here the address details for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8610841781. Next, there are vacancies from MRS Jayalakshmi Auto Works and Agencies Private Limited. They are hiring for assistant mechanic position. It is located in Villupuram location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,500 to 8,300 rupees per month. So responsibilities and duties: time management, receiving job codes, work completion, problem diagnosis, training, target attainment, educating subcoordinates. These are the responsibilities needed for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8940107999. So that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel and encourage us to do more videos in your location.